Now sometimes it feels like eating organic or making the right choices about what to eat is getting harder. So today Jodi Weeber, our local Hy-Vee dietitian, is here to share a few tips on how to shop safe and organic. So first, what does organic mean?
Organic just means that farmers utilize renewable resources to cut down on pesticide residue on produce.
Okay, and I know there's something about a dirty dozen and a clean 15 list. What are those and what do they mean?
The Environmental Working Group comes out with a dirty dozen list, which is the produce with the heaviest amount of pesticide residue tested, and also the clean 15 list, which would be the least pesticide residue.
And now I know sometimes organic food can be expensive. People think it's, really expensive to buy, but if they want to start shopping organic, what can they do to help cut down the cost for that?
Best thing is to plan ahead. Look at our weekly ads. We have the largest organic produce section within the lake. When we run ads, a lot of these organic produce items freeze really well. So plan ahead, buy them in bulk, and go ahead and freeze them. Also stock up your freezer with our organic produce within the health market section.
Well, I've always been curious about organic foods, and sometimes it just takes someone like you to give us a few pointers to get us on the organic bandwagon. So thank you, Jodi, for sharing.
Thank you.
I hope you enjoyed these tips on eating organic, and I'll see you next time for a healthier you.